Many customers ask about the processing time for an ECTN certificate. While we understand the urgency, the process involves multiple steps to ensure accuracy and compliance. The process consists of 4 key steps: receiving the request and payment approval, draft preparation and customer review, submission to authorities and validation, and final certificate issuance. First, we receive your request via email along with the required documents. As soon as payment is approved, our team gets to work, carefully preparing a draft of your certificate. We then send a draft for your review. At this stage, it's important to check all details carefully. If everything is correct, you approve it, and we move forward. If there are any corrections needed, we make adjustments swiftly to avoid any delays. Once approved, we submit the certificate for official validation in the destination country. Processing times vary and may take up to 5 business days. But don't worry, our proactive team stays in close contact with authorities to expedite the process. Once validated, we send your final ECTN certificate immediately. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing SCK Representation for your ECTN certification needs.